princesses! Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from No Make No Life. This is a Korean and Japanese beauty box that is sent out monthly, like a little subscription. It is the first time that I have tried this kind of box before, but I have tried quite a few others in the past, and this was sent to me for review by No Make No Life. The company also does Tokyo Treat, which I'm super interested in, Yumi Twins, which I'm also really interested in, Japan Hole, and Tokyo Catch. I don't know about the other two, but I've definitely heard of Tokyo Treat before because it is like the Treat the Food subscription box. I would love to try that. And then the Yumi Twins as well. Super cute. So of course this one was sent to me for review, so that means that I did not pay for it, but they do have a pricing selection on their website at the moment. So you can pay $35 monthly or $33.5 for the 3 months, $32 for 6 months, or $31.5 for 12 months. So that would be a monthly billing. It is free shipping to New Zealand at least because it's picked up that I'm in New Zealand, and my box will arrive 2 to 4 weeks after I place my order. When I ordered this one, it arrived 2.5 weeks afterwards, so that's pretty good. And you do need to order them the month before. So if I wanted to get March's box, because it's February at the moment, it's the 26th of February. If I wanted to get March's box, I would have to order it before the 29th of February to be eligible to get the actual box. So the box actually arrives at your house looking like this. The packaging stuff is on the back, so this is all it is. I've already opened it because I had to have a look. So it's quite a cute little customized box. It's something that I would just recycle. I wouldn't really necessarily need to keep hold of this box. And it comes with some really nice like little paper. Honestly, the paper is quite pretty. Like I might reuse the paper. It's a pretty pink. And then on the inside, nothing is bubble wrapped, which I found actually, I cannot get this to say, okay? Nothing in here is bubble wrapped, which I found really interesting. It doesn't look like anything is broken, and there is an eyeshadow palette in there, so I was very interested to see that. So there's a box and a whole bunch of products just rolling loose in it. I'm curious as to what would happen if something did break. Like, do I get a refund for this? Obviously, this is the thought of if you bought it yourself. Honestly, I don't know. So also on the inside there are some brochures and things like that. So this is just a welcome to the family, which is quite cute. And oh, there are some things that I would love to have from the other boxes. And then there's also a little booklet here as well, and the booklet is telling you about the subscription box, and then it also has a small description of what is inside the box, which I think is really nice as well. So the first thing is a little heart compact. This is a Malish 3-way multi-heart. This is a multi-purpose product, and obviously I haven't opened anything. I had a peek inside yesterday when the box came, but because this is such a short time frame to do the video, I've only got 1 week. I need to film today, and I haven't had a time to try anything, so you're just getting my first impressions on the service as a whole rather than the products. So it's this cute tiny heart-shaped compact. Mine is yellow and blue. It does look like it comes in a few different colorways, and this one is Cherish, maybe. I'm not sure what shade this is. Okay, so that's pretty cute. So it's kind of like a little deepish reddish brown. It's almost like the same color as my lipstick. And it's got this tiny little mirror. It does need to have the film taken off for the mirror, but it is super cute. Oh my goodness. How adorable is that? I would be interested to try this. Oh, it's got glitter in it. I'm immediately a little bit less interested. It seems really mean, but yeah, it's mostly because it's a multi-purpose product. It's a really beautiful color, so similar to what I'm wearing. Because it's a multi-purpose product like a balm, if I'm using this as a blusher, that's going to be a really hard time. It's going to be really tough for me to use as a blusher, and I wouldn't want the glitter in it. And then at the same time as well, for a lipstick, I wouldn't want the glitter in it either. So this would be so much better for me if it didn't have the glitter. Like, it's kind of shearing out a little bit. It's got a really nice texture. But because of the colour, I'm just really cautious of how that's actually going to work out for me. But it is a really cute concept, and the packaging is really cute too. The next thing is an eyeshadow palette. This is the Beauty World Makeup Palette, which makes me think that it might be more than just eyeshadow, and it's taped shut. So this is what we're looking like here. Immediately, I have to say I can't see myself using this whatsoever, mostly because of the interesting colours. I am the most bland, boring person for eyeshadow that you've ever seen. And the only things that I could imagine myself wearing would be like the shimmery brown, the shimmery brown, and the shimmery brown. It's a cool looking eyeshadow palette, but it's a lot of colours that I just know I'm never going to use. So my first instinct for this is that I'm not even going to swatch it. I'm just going to give it away like it is brand new, because I don't want to devalue the product, and I just cannot see myself ever using these kind of colours ever. It's not to say that somebody else wouldn't use them, it's just that I wouldn't. The next thing is a Momokos coloured eye pencil. Momocos. And mine is in the shade number 1, which is again fully plastic wrapped. That didn't really work out for me, but it's fine, I guess. And this appears to be pink. This is an eye pencil. Okay. Oh no, it's not pink. Oh, it's pretty. It's not pinky pink. It's super soft though. Like, it's literally like, you can't see it because it's teeny tiny, but it's like melting. It's pretty hot today though, to be honest. And I'll colour a nice big square patch onto my hand. It's a super soft texture, so I could see myself using this like on the under eye area. And it's this beautiful like peachy pink shimmer. I put a lot on there, but look how pretty that is. I was so ready to be like, nah, I'm never putting that on my eyes because it didn't look very shimmery. But the next is one that I'm pretty certain I'm gonna like. I haven't tried it. It is the Holika Heart Crush Velvet Lipstick. I like anything that is in a heart-shaped container. However, I think I've seen these before and I didn't buy them because I was worried that because it's a heart shape for the bullet, I was going to have a hard time putting it on as lipstick. Obviously, I haven't tried it yet, but I will let you guys know. I'll see how many is in the actual collection and then see if I can get the whole collection for you guys because it does look quite cute, really. But I'm still a bit cautious about it. Packaging adorable. We'll definitely pull this off, like perfect. Super cute. Then we've got a few skincare products and masks. So the first one is an Kbeauty, I think that's Kbeauty chocolate milk 1 pack. Yes, it is Kbeauty. I have definitely tried this one before. I've tried it in like the milk, I've tried it in strawberry, and I have tried it in chocolate. It's a really nice mask. It's not amazing, it's a little bit moisturizing, it's fun to use, smells nice, but overall it's kind of, yep. Then there's one I haven't tried, which is an eye mask. This is a Medius, and it's an eye mask. So it's just, I guess it would just be a heart kind of shape that's going to go around your eyes to probably, it's a hydrogel. I can't really, where the English translation is, there's a big sticker covering it. After this video is just going to be like me like unpicking, oh no, yeah, that's ripping. Unpicking stickers, that's not going to work. So what this does, it's going to be an eye mask. It's probably going to be moisturizing for fine lines and wrinkles. That would be my guess. Then there's a lip plumper, which I'm interested in. This is a Casa lip plumper. Comes in like a little outer packaging like this that you can open and, ooh. Huh. Ooh, that one smells like peppermint. I like the packaging. It's going to be terrible to stand and store because it's a, it's that. I'm going to say that this has nothing to do with anything and that it's probably just there to stop this from getting broken because I cannot see it doing anything. It's a piece of foam. And then the last product is a soap. This is a Dear My soap. What brand is it? Just says For You. I don't know what brand this is, but it's a Japanese soap. It looks quite cute. I'm never going to use it because I don't use bar soap. So this one will go like as a freebie for someone who purchases other makeup. But really cute, heart-shaped green soap. Smells like roses. So overall, I'm pleased with a few things in the box. There are a couple that are not really my cup of tea, but being a beauty box, you can't please everybody. So it's better to have a bigger variety as well than have like, you know, a very narrow-minded things. So not narrow-minded things, narrow focus of things is a better way of saying that. So I definitely enjoyed trying out this box. It's probably not one that I would personally subscribe to, but if they wanted to send me more of the boxes, I would be happy to unbox them to show you guys what is in them. For me, because I have so many products, the likelihood of me getting products that either I haven't bought because I don't like, or have already bought and already have, or have already tried and don't like, it's really, really high. It's higher than your average consumer, so I'm not surprised that there are things in here that I don't like, but I am pleasantly surprised with the things that I do like. So my favorite things are definitely the eye pencil. I think that looks so much fun. I'm very interested by this gloss and also the Holika lipstick. The rest of it, the masks I will definitely use, but some of the other stuff will be going as like free gifts to other people or given away. So thank you so much to No Make No Life for sending this box out for review. I very much enjoyed trying it out and I hope you guys enjoyed hearing about it. Let me know your thoughts or your favorite beauty box subscriptions down below as well, and if you've actually tried this brand and what you thought. But thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.